Hi, Marie here again. I'm going to be talking about how the word attraction, or being attractive, I should say, is one of the words that would be applicable to the higher vibration feminine energy and how important it is. When I put this word on the list, Lori and I had a discussion. She says, so attractive, does that mean that you want to look nice all the time? And ladies, we know that that's not realistic. And even the guys understand, you wake up in the morning and you're just not going to look fabulous every moment of the day. But attractive actually comes from my experience and my training as a Montessori teacher. Montessori told teachers that they needed to prepare themselves, and one of the ways we prepared is to prepare ourselves physically. And yes, it does include looking nice. Looking nice according to a 3-year-old, though, is not the same as a fashion plate. So it doesn't mean that you have to look all decked out all the time, but attractive in that you're well kept. I know I would wear jewelry that was attractive to little children when I worked with them because that would attract them to me. So the idea of being attractive is an invitation internally, softness and gentleness in response to things that might happen that would normally cause a big reaction. For example, if a glass would break, we would be very soft and gentle because the children usually were very shocked by this. Maybe they had never worked with glass before, but in doing that, or to trust us, and we were attractive. We would also be very interesting, have interesting things to say to them, teach them, and they found that we would become the person through which they were able to get what they wanted. The environment was opened to them through us because we could explain things to them, answer their questions. If they were thirsty, we would help them get a drink. If they were hungry, we were the ones that provided the snack and made it set up so that they could help themselves. So the adult in this environment was very attractive to the children. This relationship allowed us to serve them and teach them. When we switch over to why attractiveness is one of the feminine applications of the energy, the higher vibration applications, when we look at that, men and women need to remember that you want to be attractive. And sometimes I find that being attractive or inviting is a little easier for me to think of than, being kind or peaceful or gentle. If I think of, my actions, sometimes I'm pretty bouncy and that's attractive, or I'm really passionate and into something, but that's attractive. So it doesn't have to always be in this zone of kind of flat, maybe emotions, and yet there's that attractiveness. Flirting in a relationship between a man and a woman is very attractive. And so just thinking about it and how we can make ourselves attractive, and in doing that, bring to us the things that we really want, put us into a state of creation. Hope this is helpful and you can think about this word, and maybe it'll help you be able to move through your day and have a creative day. Thanks for listening.